Welcome to Plunge Chill Official. Let's get your cold plunge set up. Today, we'll be setting up the Plunge Chill Pro Tub with the 1/3 HP chiller. Inside the package, you'll find the cold plunge tub, the chiller, power cord, hoses, tub lid, air pump, water valves, and connectors. Step 1. Inflate the tub. First, inflate the tub. Unscrew the air valve cap by turning it counterclockwise. Press the valve button to make sure it's in the inflation position, then attach the air pump hose by twisting it clockwise. Inflate the tub until it feels firm and fully expanded. Repeat the same process for the insulated lid. Step 2. Install the valves and hoses. Wrap waterproof thread seal tape around both inlet and outlet ports on the tub. Then screw the water valves into place securely. Next, insert the hose connectors into the hoses, wrap the threaded ends with waterproof tape, and screw them onto the water valves by turning clockwise until tight. Step 3. Connect the chiller. Now connect the hoses to the chiller. Attach the tub inlet hose to the chiller outlet and the tub outlet hose to the chiller inlet. If needed, use the hose clips to secure the connections. Make sure all hose connections are tight and secure before moving on. Step 4. Fill the tub. Fill the tub with water until the water level is slightly below the inlet port. Once filled, open both water valves completely. Step 5. Power on the chiller. Press the red power switch on the back to turn it on. The display will light up and begin flashing. Use the up and down buttons to set your desired temperature. You'll soon see water circulating through the system. Now simply allow the chiller to cool the water until it reaches your selected temperature. Your Plunge Chill is now ready to use. Enjoy your cold plunge experience.